Two heavyweights in personal finance, Credit Karma and YNAB, face off in a battle for your budget. Which one actually puts your money to work? On one side, Credit Karma, known for its free credit scores and easy financial tools. On the other, YNAB, an app built to transform the way you budget every dollar. We're digging into what users really care about, features, pricing, ease of use, impact on your finances, and more. Forget the hype and marketing claims. Let's focus on how these platforms work in real life. We'll award points in each key category so you can see exactly which tool comes out ahead. And trust me, the winner here might surprise you. Let's get into what users really care about. Features, pricing, ease of users really care about. Features, pricing, ease of use, impact on your finances, and more. Forget the hype and marketing claims. Let's focus on how these platforms. Right before we start, here's the lay of the land. We're looking at price, core features, ease of use, security and privacy, mobile experience, and, big one, who benefits most. All the good stuff mapped out so you know exactly where the showdown's happening. Let's just get price out of the way. Credit Karma? It's totally free. No joke. Like, no monthly fee sneaking up on you, no trial, and then surprise charges. Just straight up free, forever. The only catch? Yeah, you'll see some ads and product offers, but honestly, nothing's really hidden there. On the other hand, YNAB, and I can't sugarcoat this, it is not cheap. You get a free trial, but after that it's almost $15 a month or about $100 a year. For budgeting software, that's kind of a big ask. Although they do throw in some annual discounts here and there. So if you're on a tight budget or you just like free stuff, Credit Karma is the easy winner for price. YNAB, and I can't sugarcoat this, it is not cheap you. Now for core features, and wow, these two could not be more different. Credit Karma focuses on what it's good at: free credit scores, credit monitoring, and suggestions for financial products. But you're not really getting hands-on advice or budget tools. It's kind of like looking in the mirror but not having a toothbrush, right? Meanwhile, YNAB is like personal finance bootcamp. You get zero-based budgeting, goal tracking, all sorts of reports, plus direct syncing with your bank if you want. It actually teaches you great habits. But, small bummer for credit junkies, YNAB doesn't do credit scores at all. If you want to manage your money and not just watch a number. Oh, YNAB crushes it. This round definitely goes to YNAB. Ease of use. Here's the deal. With Credit Karma, you sign up and in basically 5 minutes you're staring at your credit score. The dashboard is really clear, almost too simple, but hey, you're not lost. The only slightly annoying thing is that they do try to sell you stuff sometimes, but it's not a huge deal. YNAB though is a bit more, let's say, intense. Like, they have tons of tutorials and even live workshops, and the people who get it love it. But if you're brand new to budgeting, you might feel a little overwhelmed at first. So for plug-and-play simplicity, Credit Karma definitely takes simplicity. Credit Karma definitely takes this one. Oh, and here's something cool I found out. Did you know that the average YNAB user saves about $600 just in their first 2 months? Not too shabby if you ask me. Makes that subscription price sting just a little less, right? Right. Security and privacy. Super important, right? Both have encryption. Credit Karma is very upfront. Checking your score does not ding your credit, which is awesome. But they do share your data to send those partner offers, so there's a little bit of give and take. YNAB? No ads, no partner offers, and their privacy is strong, and it's a big but, you have to connect your bank for the best experience. Which might make some people pause. Honestly, both are solid, but there are little trade-offs either way. I'd call this one a draw. Let's talk mobile experience. Both have pretty solid apps. Credit Karma's is great if you want quick credit checks and nice notifications about changes. But full disclosure, you can't actually budget in it. YNAB's app, though, is like your budgeting sidekick. You can do everything, add, track, enter transactions. Though if you want accuracy, sometimes you do have to add stuff by hand. Honestly, typing in every coffee run can get old. Still, I can't pick a real winner here. Both have their quirks and strengths. And here's the big question. Who benefits most? If you're just starting out on your financial journey, maybe you just want to keep an eye on your credit for free, Credit Karma's your go-to. Seriously, it's made for credit newbies or people who want free monitoring with zero fuss. But if you are all in on getting your budget under control, maybe you have a family budget to wrangle, or you want to turn your finances around. YNAB is amazing, but it does ask for real effort. So honestly, both have their fan base can't declare a champ here. So let's step back and look at the big picture. If you see the radar chart, Credit Karma dominates on price and simplicity, but YNAB just pulls way ahead on features and money management. Security and mobile? Neck and neck. Alright, if you've been keeping score, here's the takeaway. Credit Karma is the move if all you need is to keep tabs on your credit, boost your score, and you want zero costs and zero hassle. But if you're serious about getting your entire budget into shape and you're willing to put in the time, YNAB is absolutely worth it. So yeah, Credit Karma wins for free and easy, but YNAB steals the show for hands-on money mastery. If this helped clear up your options, do me a favor, subscribe for more honest breakdowns of money tools. And if you've got a question or want a specific app reviewed, drop it in the comments. Catch you next time.